Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm going to show you how we created this cute festival hairstyle that we did for a party for my sweet mother. Therefore, I split her hair right in the middle, so make a neat middle parting. I used some water because just to bring down the flyaways and to have it easier to prepare the hair. And then I take a section right over her left-hand eye that is more or less 5 centimeters, 2 inches wide. Clip it away for the time being. And then do exactly the same thing on the other side. Always take the eyes as your reference. So here you see it's more or less the middle of her eye where is the outer parting. The remaining hair goes into a deep ponytail. And now we're going to braid the left hand side. I use some oil because here the weather is very humid and we go to the beaches right now, so we just want to make sure that the hair is good prepared, and when you use some oil it's easier to braid because it does not tangle so much in the ends. Now I prepare the edges with some hair gel. I'm applying that with a toothbrush for not missing anything, and then combing through the gel. Take the front section that is more or less half a centimeter wide. We don't want this braid to be tiny and too thin, so take a bit thicker sections and then start to bring always the outer strand under the middle strand. So I started on the right hand side, the middle parting, and when you have it under the middle strand you add in another portion of hair. So now the left hand strand goes under, and then I add, with the help of the comb, some hair into that strand. To make it wider, we pull gently at the outer edges of the braid. So bring some hair under, and then again the right hand side under and add in some hair. What I like to do when I'm pancaking, before I pull the outer edges, I use some hairspray that makes that the hair sticks nicer together, and it's like you feather it out and it gives this full white look that is really cute and that we want to achieve. Then when there's no more hair to add into your braid, because you braided already the whole section that you prepare, you tie it off with a hair elastic. I take these thicker ones because they are more comfortable than the tiny plastic elastics, and we leave it for the time being in a low ponytail, and then you just do exactly the same thing on the right hand side. When you pull out the outer edges, make sure not to pull too much, because once it is out, you cannot bring it in again. So then you will have to braid again. My model does not have so thick hair, so I do a little back combing to make a more voluminous look for the little bun right now. And therefore I do a rope twist braid. So turn once is 2 strands, and you turn one to the right hand side and then bring it over to the left hand side. So always turn both strands into one direction and bring them over each other to the opposite side. Then tie off with a little hair elastic and wrap it around the end, or the beginning, of the deep ponytail, at the end of the braid. The ends are hidden under it, and she said she would like to dance, so we were using enough bobby pins to keep everything in place. The same thing I did on the right hand side. a rope twist braid. So you see I turn one strand to the right hand side and bring it over to the left, and then you pull the outer edges. That gives again more volume, and it's a very easy way to make a messy little space bun. Tuck everything into place, make sure you hide the edges, and you see I'm turning the bobby pins to use the longer part to grab some hair and then to bring it under. Like this you make sure you won't see the bobby pins. It's just one little thing that I like to do, and where I noticed that is much easier for me to bring the bobby pins into the place. Then fix everything with some hairspray, and we added some glitter and some charms to make it the final look. So this is our last spin. I hope you like this style, and if you recreate it, let me know down in the comments. And if you're new on our channel, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hope to see you back very soon on the next tutorial. Bye bye.